What's the meaning of bumble? Bumble. Bumble.
Bumble. Bumble. The word bumble has a few different meanings, depending on the context. One definition is to move or act clumsily or awkwardly. Another is to speak in a confused or unclear way. It can also refer to making a humming or buzzing sound, like a bumblebee. Overall, the result of using the word bumble is to convey a sense of disorganization or confusion. It can be used to describe someone who is fumbling around or struggling to communicate effectively. Additionally, it can be used as a playful or endearing term when describing someone's clumsy or quirky behavior.